Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Today we need to create here this online glossary app UI. We need to convert in the native iOS app using SwiftUI. Need to create here. Inside we need to use here the MVVM patterns. We need to use here model view models controls. We need to use here. First of all, we need to check here the design some introduction we need to give here. This is the play screen for this app, and then after we need to this is the after we need to create here the onboarding screens. This is the onboarding screens. Here the set titles, logo, subtitles, and get start buttons. After we need to next screen is the sign in screen. Inside we need to use here the phone numbers and to create here the Google logins and Facebook logins. Then after we need to enter here the mobile number screen, and then after verify the OTP screen, and after we need to select your location screen. Here inside we need to select here your zones, and zone select after we need to select here your area, and then submit the value. After we need to create here the login screens. This is the login screen UI, and inside we need to add here the email address and passwords, and click on the logins buttons. We need to open here the main tab, and this next screens are the sign up screens. Inside we need to use here the username, email address, and password to create here the sign up. Then after we need to check here the go inside the main tab view. We need to create first of all this is the home screen for, and to bottom here the tab bars. We need to create here the bottom tab bars with 5 buttons: shop, explore, cards, favorites, and my accounts. Tabs are the develop here. First of all, need to create here the exclusive offer inside the home page. Then after base selling, after glossary, and now need to check here the next screens. This is the product details screens here. Inside need to write down here the product galleries UI. Then after titles, units names, and price, quantity plus or minus, product details, nutrition details, and product review need to set here. Then after need to this is the explore screens. Explore screen inside the create here the some different category like fresh food, cooking oils, meats, fresh baking. This is the types of the category and inside here, and this is the particular one category list are the open inside the product items list. This is the, and here to click to add to carts UI. Then after need to use here the search. This is the search screens here available inside the explore screen. Inside the search need to get here the items, search items need to list here. And this is the next screens of the filter screens. Inside need to category wise and brand wise we need to create here the filters, and the items are the filters and show here. Then after the next screens are the my cart screen. Inside need to all edit carts insta quantity change plus or minus, and if next screens are the checkouts screens. You need to create here this is the checkout screen. Inside need to delivery, payments, promo codes, and total cost, and then after the place orders. And this is the favorite tab screen. Inside need to list out the all items. Need to create here the product list details. Inside to need to give here the set inside the favorite list. Then after need to create here the order placed successfully UI screens here, and then after if you get any error place time, then this is the error screens need to develop, and last screens are the account screens need to develop inside the here this project. Let's start with how to write in the SwiftUI native code. If you are the beginners, please watch the full video, and one by one details need to catch ups. After you can the self-develop try, and you can improve your Swift programming language. If you beginner, don't worry, you can see the full video automatically. You can write in the SwiftUI these codes. Same are the similar to Flutter codes, no any difference. Some controllers names are different, working functionality are the same with the Flutters. Let's start. First of all, need to create here the projects. We need to create here the select first of all the iOS, then select the app, and need to click here the next. After need to give here the names. Now need to set here the project names, and to write down here the online grocery SwiftUI and to create here the next and to save this here. Okay, now this project are the created inside the SwiftUI, and now need to first of all need to open here the our Flutter apps and need to import here the some library and assets need to put here like images, and I need to put here the fonts need to configure here and need to set basic structures are the setup here the create first of all need to full screen this UI. Now my Flutter project are the opens and need to open this asset folders inside the value binders and need to put here first of all the font folders and need to set up with the fonts. First of all need to create here the new folders inside here groups, write down here the font, its name is font, and to put these fonts, the fonts need now need to here and to select here the Online Groceries Shop UI need to select, otherwise need to not access these fonts here. Need to always, if you get inside here the some asset, need to always select the targets, otherwise not work here. To put here, now need to save this here, and now need to import here the all assets. Now need to go inside the image and select those all images. You need to select here and to open the assets to move this all asset here, and we need to go here the properties and to create here the 1x scales, single scales need to set this here. Now need to set this and all asset we need to input done here, and now need to configure here the font settings. First of all need to select here project targets and to go inside the info and to create here the add buttons and to write down here the font provider applications add years. Now need to open this years and need to one by ones need to get here set here the names. First of all need to copy this check here. Now need to and here, then after need to medium fonts, copy list, need to add more, then after need to give here the regular fonts, copy this info and set here regular fonts. After need to give here the semi-bolds, copy this, and now need to set these all things. We need to set here related to fonts. Now need to create here the folder structures, which to first of all need to remove this container view, need to delete this here. Now need to create here the new folders. We need to write down here the view, then after create here the new groups are the model, and after another create here the group model, then after need to create here the common UI common, and now need to create file SwiftUI right here, down here. Group to write down at the onboarding screen, login, and then after write down here welcome view. Here. Now need to configure this UI inside the and change this here. Now need to set this here. Now need to do here. Now need to create here first of all the play screens. How to set here the SwiftUI inside. Need to first of all create here the new file and to write down here launch screens like here, and to write down here get this here on screen. Now need to select this and to set here the remove this here, no needs here labels, and now need to create here the use here the shift command and L to open this property here, to write down here the image. Image view here, set here. Now need to set 0 stripes, and then after need to open this property and to set here edge, write down here play screens, this image, and now need to fill to expect to fields need to set here. This is our the play screen are the done, and need to configure inside our targets. We need to select here generals and to all need to set this target to select here 14s. Remove these options, no needs only for this app for the iPhones, and to iPad need to only portrait modes need to set here, and then after hide status bars not needs to select here otherwise. And now this is the play screen files, we need to set here the launch screen storyboard need to select here and automatically set here the display screen with the here the native play screens need to set here. Now need to create here the this onboarding screen need to develop this welcome screen need to write down here and to create first of all. Need to use here the SwiftUI first of all need to down here get here the Z stack. Now need to set and need to set here the image names need to set here. To go inside the sets we need to use here the welcome backgrounds. We need to copy this here the welcome to here, write down here the resize scale to fill or safe area. Now first of all we need to create here first of all the open here yes, SwiftUI coding inside. Need to create here some common class you need to directly use. If you how to create, so please watch I will give inside the info buttons and watch this video, and easy to create this common controllers. First of all, we need to go inside our GitHub accounts, and we need to select here the monthly expense trackerized app SwiftUI. Open this and need to go inside the trackerized apps, and need to go inside first UI and common UI, and first of all get these codes here, copy these names, and now need to create the new file. Select here UI extensions. Now need to copy these all codes and now need to paste this here, and now need to first of all set here the fonts. Need to create here font related setting. We need to open these font folders. This name, this options. Now need to bold to set here. Now need to once need to see here and snap here. Now need to students and change appropriate, and this is the screen related related here the some extended class need to yes. Then after just related need to set here the first of all open our projects and to go inside the color extensions, and need to use these all colors inside. You to set here first of all need to set here the primary colors. Copy this here and to other colors no needs here. This pattern no needs. Now need to here. No need to correct this. Now need to set here the primary text colors. Need to set here. Strings here to go to secondary colors. Copy inside letter codes. Then after need to create here title colors. Here and the placeholder color. Copy here. Add down here the dark gray colors at here. This is the color extensions are the duns need to set here. Now need to set here. The also need to go here, and now need to set here the RAM and to give here the width to write down here width height and screen. Need to use here the or extensions methods. You need to write down here. If you how to create this method, you need to watch our video. I will give the info button inside the how to create this video need to provide, and watch the full this video. Then easily understand how to write down this word text. Now need to go inside the welcome screens. Coding with write downs here. Now need to create here the step. Select write down here spacer, and now need to the size of height. We need to set here 60, scale to fill, scale to fits. We need to set this here. Then after we here the bottom padding. Write down after we need to create here the text, welcome text. So welcome text, and we need to set here some property. Suppose set here fonts, semi bolds, system. This is the extended method we need to create here. Select the semi bolds and write down here the need to set here the foreground colors, white, and multi-line, and set here center. Then after we need to create here the another subtitle to appear, and we need to set here font size 16, and we to now need to font office. Now need to some space set here. Then after we need to create here the one buttons. We need to develop ears and to and then after we need to get here first of all So let's UI options. Admit to UI. Now some property unit options. Navigations. Headers after options. Options. Not goods on 16 options. This is the options here. Here. Now need to create here buttons. Options. Step. Cheers. Now need to check here font size. Now need to add the head centers. Need to check here the errors. Not using options. Screen. functions. Maybe we change this name. Short name recolor. Prime app. This is the now need to save to check it. It's here. Now need to save this. And now need to UI are the loads here. This is the old keyword prime. Set the color class. That's why not. And let's start with down here prime. Here. Maximum width. I'm turn it. Maximum. Then after 100 rates, need to now these buttons are created and need to copy these. Now need to go inside the to write down here the safety. Sound. Here. Now need to state titles string or smith. Yeah. Everywhere. Functions, we need to write down here functionals and to and now display UI and to titles. And now need to use buttons inside the welcomes. Place this here. Title. Started. Okay, now current UI are the done here, and now need to check with compare with UI. It's here size Now good here. And now need to create here the sign in screen with to develop here file. Right here. Buttons. Extension. Now need to write down here this UI down here. Now need to screen. Now need to copy this or set here. Sign in view. Stack. Spell. Now need to support sets. Now need to go inside the sets and find out to go here. Set this here. Now need to set here height and width. Now need to set here screen. Add some to screen. And now need to give set this here. Here. Space up. Select no. And then bottom widget and screen. Now need to scroll. Stop also need to space. Deck. Props. Prop and set. Set. Write down tuple. Write down here the text titles need both. Text. Text. And to set here size. And see here. And after done. Now display goods this UI here titles. Then after text fields. Suppose to start. Done. Now need to edge. Yes, and text here. And after me to text in here. Now need to state or string to configure space. Maximum after now create here buttons. Then after to say text and now need to and after need to now need to oh this titles are yes this now need to buttons to copy round buttons here. Style continue and to set here the color. Let's write down and to color. Now need size set here width now need to paste this here and to write. Now this are the colors and okay, these buttons are the created and now need to use for the country codes for the one library. So here's set the figures and already find out these country figures. Need to use this country figure here. Now need to go in SwiftUI project and add write down. Now need drag here. Now need to paste this brackets here. This package buttons. Let's configure. Now need to create here the custom view and tree curve here. Here write down here control cheers and Just to pass here. Here. Class here. Tree. Products. Now need to now need the coordinate. And to write down chairs and chairs and chairs. Now need to coordinate. Say sure. Let's make chat here. Country pick. Chair. Jackie. Tree. set. HTC optional. At this, and now need to paste here what. Now need to call this country pickers or sign in to. Suppose need to write down the some first step. Show the false, and then after of the country pickers, put this here the library of country pickers, set here and on it to and here show get here and object. This is the binding object. Need to set here. Now need to press work or not. This test to click here. Here. Now need to set here the value with chance. So need to set this here. Remove. Here. I need to see here. So fix this here. Objective. Here. On set this here to set this here and science unit here drop this. plus. Okay, now this here and now set here black. Suppose back inside the library. Now need to create here the country flag. First of all, need to copy these codes here and paste this here, and to remove this plus signs, and then after need to use here the ISO code and to get here the get flags. Now need to get this here these functions, and now need to check here the get here the flags and to as need to this to identify is good. Foreground no needs here. Now this is the flag are set. Now need to change this. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video awesome contents. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. And everyone a nice day and goodbye and take care.